This video will show you how you can extract every frame from a video in high quality and how you can get it done for free in a couple of minutes. To do this, we're going to be using a free software, so go to Google and type in VLC Media Player. Once you've done that, you can go to their official website, videoland.org, and you can click Download VLC. Open the installation wizard, and it is a very simple and easy installation. Click Next through all of this, click Install. In a minute or two, VLC Media Player will be installed. Now we can go ahead and click Finish and run VLC Media Player. Now let's open up our video, so let's go to Media and Open File. Here we can find the video and we'll click on Open. Okay, so now we've got the video file in VLC Media Player. Let's set it up so we can export every frame of this. So what you need to do is go to Tools, then click on Preferences, then go to Show Settings at the bottom and click on All. Here we can go ahead and scroll down until we find Video. So once you've clicked on Video, below it you'll see Filters. Click on the downwards arrow under Filters, and you need to now scroll down until you get to Scene Filter. Go ahead and click on that. Now if you've not downloaded this before, you might not have the same settings as me. By default though, you will have PNG as the image format, so I would keep it on that. Here you've got the image width and height, which again I would keep default. Now we need to go ahead and enter in a directory for all of these screenshots to go to. So to do that, you can go ahead and open up or create any folder. I'm going to just go to my desktop here, we'll right click, we'll click New, and then Folder. I'm going to call this folder Frames. Now we can go ahead and just open the folder. We need to find the directory, so if we just click at the top here, you can then copy the folder directory, and then just paste it into the path prefix here. So now we've got the recording ratio. Now this by default is going to be on a number that isn't 1. If you want to record and get every single frame, change it to 1. If we hover over it here, you can see ratio of images to record. 3 means that 1 images out of 3 is recorded. So obviously if you want every image to be recorded, you would leave it on 1. Now this is going to use up a lot of memory, so you could change this to 3 or 5, and it means it will record most of the frames but not all. So you can decide what number you want and even play around with the number here. Go ahead and click on Save once you've entered these settings. Now go back to Tools again, click on Preferences, click on All, and then go to Video, click on Filters. Then you need to simply enable the filter. So the filter is going to be Scene Video Filter. Click on that, then click Save. Now when you play the video, you should then see frames will start to appear in your folder. If they don't appear straight away, you are going to need to just close out of VLC Media Player and reopen it. We can then go Open Recent Media and open the media file again. So now it's playing, and now even if we pause it, you'll be able to see the frames are quickly going to be added to the folder. Like I said, this is going to take up a lot of memory, but you're going to get every frame in HD. Now what you'll need to do is go ahead and click Stop Playback if you want the frames to be stopped, otherwise this will continue forever. So click here where it says Stop Playback, and then if you take a look, you will then be generated no more frames. But you can see here we've got every single frame, or we're starting to get every single frame downloaded or saved.